Finding the perfect rice cooker can be tough, but we're here to help. In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 best rice cookers of 2025, packed with smart features, precise cooking, and designs that fit every kitchen. Whether you're a home chef or just love perfectly cooked rice, these rice cookers will transform your meals. Let's dive in and discover the one that's perfect for you. Number 1. HOMEFISH 1.5-liter mini home cooking pot. Looking for a compact and efficient cooking solution? The HOMEFISH 1.5-liter mini home cooking pot is here to transform your kitchen experience. With a capacity of under 3 liters and a power consumption of less than 600 watts, it's perfect for small households, dorms, or travel. This multifunctional pot allows you to cook rice, porridge, and stews effortlessly, thanks to its 3-dimensional heating technology, ensuring even and delicious results every time. Made with safety-certified non-stick materials, it guarantees chemical-free, hassle-free cooking. Lightweight and portable, this stock pot is a must-have for busy lifestyles. Whether you're whipping up quick meals or experimenting with recipes, this mini cooker is your ideal kitchen companion. Try it today. Number 2. BALASHOV Mini Electric Cooker. Introducing the BALASHOV Mini Electric Cooker, the ultimate all-in-one kitchen tool. This double-layer non-stick pot is perfect for households looking for versatility and convenience. With a power of just 500 watts and certified by CE EU standards, it's energy efficient and reliable. From cooking rice and grains to stewing soups, frying, or making pilaf, this compact pot handles it all. Its multi-layered compound bottom ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. Made from durable, safe materials and free from harmful chemicals, it's designed for healthy and efficient cooking. Whether you're in a dorm, apartment, or need a portable cooking solution, this mini electric cooker is a must-have. Check it out now and transform your kitchen experience. Number 3. BALASHOV Mini Rice Cooker. Looking for a compact, efficient, and affordable rice cooker? Meet the BALASHOV Mini Rice Cooker, a perfect choice for 1 to 2 people. With a 1.2 liters capacity and 200 watts power, this lightweight appliance, weighing less than 2 kilograms, is ideal for small households, dorms, or even traveling. The non-stick coating inner pot ensures hassle-free cooking and cleaning, while its underpan heating system delivers evenly cooked rice, porridge, soup, or reheated meals. The mechanical timer control makes it simple to use, and its sturdy plastic housing ensures durability. Whether you're making quick meals or steaming food, this little powerhouse is a game changer. Click the link below to learn more and elevate your kitchen experience today. Number 4. 1.7 liters electric rice cooker. Looking for a reliable, compact rice cooker for your home? The 1.7-liter BALASHOV electric rice cooker is the perfect choice for 2 to 3 people. With a non-stick titanium interior and underpan heating technology, it guarantees evenly cools every time. This smart, mechanical multi-cooker isn't just for rice. It's a versatile appliance for porridge, soup, steaming, reheating, and even heat preservation. The double-layer design includes a steaming basket, letting you prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Weighing under 2 kilograms and featuring a sleek cylindrical shape, it's lightweight and space-saving, ideal for modern kitchens. Certified safe and chemical-free, this 220-volt cooker is energy efficient with only 110-watt power usage. Simplify your cooking today with this multifunctional kitchen essential. Number 5. Mini Electric Cooker by BALASHOV. Introducing the Mini Electric Cooker by BALASHOV, the ultimate compact solution for home cooking. This 1.8-liter multifunction electric cooker is perfect for singles or couples, offering a range of functions like rice cooking, soup stewing, porridge making, and even steaming. Its non-stick aluminum alloy inner pot ensures hassle-free cooking and easy cleanup, while the mechanical timer control makes it user-friendly for everyone. With 800 watts power and efficient underpan heating, this cooker delivers fast, even results every time. It's lightweight, 2 kilograms, durable, and made with safety-certified materials. Ideal for dorms, apartments, or travel, this mini cooker is a versatile addition to any kitchen. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Check out the link below to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.